Also tonight, Metro hospitals on the brink of flatline and staffing shortages continue. 4 Oklahoma City hospitals saying the Omicron variant has created a dire situation for providers already strained by 2 years of the pandemic. Those hospitals reporting 0 ICU beds available, along with an overwhelming number of patients battling the virus. The latest wave also affecting schools and workplaces across the state. News 4's Caitlin Ogle joins us with an update on district measures. And Caitlin, those measures come on the same day state lawmakers make a push against mandates.
That's right. And throughout this week, we've just seen a domino effect of schools closing or going virtual. At the state capitol, the debate on how to keep Oklahomans safe during this pandemic continues week before the session even begins.
It needs to be put in the hand of the individual citizen.
Prior to 2020, vaccines were good.
At the state capitol, the debate on how to best protect Oklahomans from COVID-19 raging on. One day after the U.S. Supreme Court striking down a federal vaccine and mask mandate for large companies, Oklahoma lawmakers working to do the same.
I have seen several bills that do just eliminate the mandates for sure.
Pharmacy owner and Republican Senator Rob Standridge authoring one of at least 7 bills limiting vaccine mandates, allowing employees to make claims against businesses if they're required to get the shot.
If you force somebody to put some chemical in their body, you should be liable for the results.
Republican Senator David Bullard also filing a bill making it illegal for any state or federal agency or anyone doing business with the state to require vaccines. State Democrats calling it all political theater.
They're really leveraging on the political climate regarding COVID.
We need to stop the spread of COVID rather than quibbling over who has control of which part of this.
Meanwhile, across the state, school districts shutting down or going virtual with teachers out sick. Middell School says their students will be required to wear masks upon return.
When the schools close, we're left struggling.
Angelica Johnson, just one of several parents forced to choose between work and staying at home with her child. That's why Norman Parks and Rec now providing temporary relief at $25 a kid. Parents say the care is worth the cash.
Just the importance of having them here to support me as a single parent has been immeasurable.
Meanwhile, Oklahoma City Public Schools plans on being back in class on Wednesday. However, they say there's always the chance they'll have to stick to online learning if there are still staffing issues next week.